Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Boom Crosses a Level Crossing. I'm your host Boom the Railway Cat, and today we're at Pork Lane Level Crossing on the Sunshine Coastline, where we'll be seeing a service from Greater Anglia. The date today is Friday the 6th of August 2021 and the time is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So let's cross. Heading that way is Colchester and Kirby Cross, and that way is Frinton on Sea and Bolton on the Naze. So thank you very much for watching this episode of Boom Crosses a Level Crossing. Please subscribe and remember to stay alert and look out for trains.